G'day YouTubers, Dano here from Dano's channel, back at ya, one more again. Today's video is a quick boat maintenance or a bit of a safety tip, and it's come about a little bit by accident really, so I thought that I would share it with you because it might just save one of you guys out there from sinking. Alright, so I've got a Freedom Sport 560 bow rider. Rarely do I ever take people out fishing with me. It's usually just Skip and myself will go out and chase some whiting or do some crabbing or whatever. When we were thinking, look, we don't need the seating in up the front, which it looks like this. So we decided we wanted to change that into a casting deck so we could stand at the front there and flick out into the shallows, or somewhere to launch a drone from and land the drone again. That'd be super handy. Anyway, so we were doing that project, and we used a bit of marine ply and cut out a template, so you can see that here. So you can see the hatches and all that in it, so we can access the storage underneath where the seat cushions would be. And when we were happy with how that turned out, we threw a bit of carpet on it, and it now looks like this. Right, I've taken all that out again now because that carpet and all that sort of stuff that we put on it put the rest of the boat to shame. So yeah, the carpet in the boat is pretty bloody manky, and look, this morning we've already replaced a good portion of it, but we've stumbled across something that I think it's very important that we share with you. So I said the carpet was pretty manky, so you can see that there. Looks absolutely shithouse, but Skip's down the back screwing in a bit of flooring, and he's been doing a pretty good job really, for a safety roo. Yeah, good job, Skip. All right, while he was down the back buggerising around, he was having a bit of a look down in the bilge, and Skip and I have noticed when we've gotten back to the boat ramp, pulled the bungs out on the boat trailer, occasionally quite a bit of water comes out, and for the activities that we're doing and the conditions that we're in, it's way more than what there should have been. So we're a little bit unsure about where this was coming from. We changed out the O-rings on the bungs, which is initially what I thought might have been the issue. That didn't change anything. Then I changed out the bungs altogether, and look, the problem, it was odd because some days you'd go out and it'd be great, another day you'd go out and there'd be heaps of water in the bilge, not enough to trigger the bilge pump or anything like that, but yeah, it was enough to be concerned about. Anyway, Skip was down there screwing down the floor, and he was having a bit of a poke around in the bilge, and he was wearing a camera while he was doing it, and I'll show you here what he found when he was poking around down there. Well, we'll pop down and we'll have a bit of a look ourselves. Look out, Skip. Alright, we'll just pop down and have a little bit of a look in the bilge here. It's just a section of floor right at the back of the boat that we haven't put in yet. No particular reason for not having done it yet, but yeah, it's probably lucky. So let's jump down and have a bit of a look. Alright, so down in the bilge, we've got our kill tank and all that under the floor here. But this hose that goes onto the bottom of my kill tank, Skip found that the hose clamp had all rusted out on it, and yeah, we think that that's where the water was coming in. So yeah, a bit of a safety tip for you guys. I'm quietly confident that that's where the water was getting into the bilge. Those hose clamps are not my work. That's, yeah, never see me doing an abortion like that. But yeah, if you're doing any maintenance or anything like that on your boat, make sure that you're checking everything. Check your fuel lines, check all your hose clamps on your kill tanks, and or your deck drains and stuff like that. Make sure that they're all good. So yeah, if you've got something out of this video, if you found it useful or whatever, just give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, stay moist. See you on the water. Bye for now.